Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we're going to be playing, doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 7 by me. Let's get into it. Ow. Okay, I'm up. Let's go. Again. I won't buy an Xbox, a TV, a remote, and a movie, just AirPods. You Budgie, hey, get going, the flag is right there. Yay. Ha. Here we go. Ha. That was fun. It's go time. Finally, a normal haul. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. I'm number 1. Let's go. Wee. Ha. Let's go. Whoa, I'm in space. Long jump. Ha. Ha. Let's go time. There's a lot of fog. Oh, more stuff. Oh, a fan. Yay, the fog is gone. Time to keep going. Less. Cloud monster, I'm going to cut you with my wind. I don't think so. Boom. I'm number 1. Fine. Ha. Meow. Oh, great. Hey, wait, stop. To be continued. So that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marks video.